Hi everyone, my name is Casey Kaplan,
And I'm Mark Kilpatrick.
and we're from UrbanFT. There have been all types of solutions rolled out over the past couple of years, but none of them address the problems companies are actually having. The first problem is that no one's creating an engaging solution for their customers. And then secondly, there's no platform out there to easily manage card programs. At UrbanFT, we've completely re-engineered the banking experience so that consumers are engaged and our clients have a platform to manage their card programs and customers. Our white label banking solution is a true lifestyle product. It brings together financial tools, social, and discovery. So let's jump into our local bank example. The first thing you'll notice is that we do enable Social Connect. This creates a frictionless experience when people go into the application. The first time you log in, you do have to verify the device. Also keep in mind that anything you see today is easily switched out. So branding, coloring, we can usually change that. Now, there are three main sections of the app. There's Money, which houses all the core banking functionality. Discovery, where users can find venues, deals, and gift cards. And then we have the Feed, which is a social layer on top of the platform. So we're going to jump into the Money section, and an access code is required. This is needed to create a secure session and access any financial information across the platform. Once you're in the Money section, if enabled, the first screen you'll see is account aggregation. Now, as many of you are aware, one of the main reasons someone logs into their banking account in the first place is to check their balance. So if all of their balances are displayed in one location, you're really owning that digital relationship with the customer. And secondly, we do this because we use the data to enrich the user experience, which you'll see later on. So let's jump into the local bank account. Now, the first screen you'll see is transaction history. In addition to transaction history, we have load methods, such as remote check deposit, payment methods like P2P and bill pay, and then transfer methods, so you can move money to and from external accounts. And all this functionality is great, but it's what yesterday's users wanted. The banking experience is fragmented, broken. It needs to be holistic. So we're excited to show you what we call transaction to venue pairing. By clicking on a transaction, we pair it with the venue. You can see the venue and how much you spent. Even more importantly, by swiping left, you can see rich information about that venue. You can see tips, contact details, photos, and a whole lot more. Customers truly understand where they're spending their money now. The last thing I'm going to show you in Money today is our personal financial management solution. And there's all types of PFM solutions out there, but in all honesty, they inundate consumers with information, and it's just a complete cognitive overload. We've streamlined that. We show meaningful metrics. We allow people to set spending alerts, see their cash position, and then my most favorite and important graph is probably the top merchants, so you can see where you're spending the most money each month.
So what we've shown you here so far could be a strong product offering in its own right. But this isn't enough to engage customers and institutions with one another. So rather than continuing the rest of the demonstration in the local bank application, I'd like to jump over to our admin portal here and show you how, and introduce to you one of our newest clients, and also show you how our admin portal can be used to manage, customize, and update an existing program. Today, we are very excited to announce our partnership with Sprint. The Sprint Money Express mobile wallet will encompass everything that's been demonstrated today and will launch in Q1 of next year. This launch has largely been made possible by the innovation group Pinsight, which is backed by Sprint. UrbanFT and Pinsight are excited to be working on a number of initiatives with one another, which include the integration of carrier billing, SKU data, and a targeted ad platform, all of which will be rolled out as part of the Sprint Money Express program. The admin portal, as you see it here today, will be made available to all of our clients so that they can customize the functionality and branding of their program to meet the needs of their unique customer base. And now, I'd like to turn it back over to Casey so that he can take you through the Sprint Money Express mobile wallet and show you some more features.
So we've already showed you some great banking functionality. There's two more sections we're going to show you. The first section is discovery, and this is where people can find information out about venues, deals, and gift cards. And it makes sense. Most times you go to a venue, you're spending money, so why shouldn't you have valuable information about that merchant? When you go to the venue section, you can see trending venues at the top, or you can use a quick filter. Clicking into a venue displays information such as contact details, deals from Groupon and other daily deal sites, as well as custom API feeds. And then we also have photos, tips, reviews, which is user-generated content within the platform and then enriched by third-party sites. And then finally, we have friends who have been. So you can see what your friends have been doing at a venue. The last section I'm going to show you today is the feed, and this is the social layer on top of the platform. This pulls customers into the app on a much more regular basis. Whenever a core action happens, it's posted to the feed, with the exception of a financial transaction. Now, the feed's great, but it's also prime real estate to promote products. So in the case of Sprint, they're able to push handsets. Or in the case of a more traditional FI, they can push card and loan offers. Now, we mentioned before that this is a financial product, and one of the main reasons people log in to the app is to check their balance. So we have this really cool piece of technology called Shake for Balance. So when Mark shakes the phone, the balance is displayed from anywhere in the app. When he shakes it again, he returns to the previous screen that he's on. So let's summarize. UrbanFT is providing solutions for both financial and non-financial issuers. We increase engagement and revenue opportunities by combining social, discovery, and financial products into a true lifestyle product. We can offer this service as a fully managed program, as a front-end software, or as an API. I'd also like to thank the entire UrbanFT team for making this possible, and I'd encourage you all to stop by our booth and hear more about the Sprint case study that we have. Thank you very much.